Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 268. So if ever you encounter this kind of problem, then I'm going to show you some methods on how to fix this one. First, you have to go to command prompt and then click this one as administrator. Now this command prompt will show up and what you're going to do is to follow what I'm going to type here. So you have to follow this ipconfig slash flush DNS. And then after that, what you're going to do is to press enter. So once you press enter, you will see this notification successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So next is you have to follow this one again, what I'm going to type here, ipconfig and then slash renew and then enter. Then you will see this notification messages, but you just have to wait because it's still processing. And then the very last thing to do here is to type this, okay, netsh winsock and then reset. So netsh space winsock space reset and then click enter and then wait as it is processing. Then you will see this one. And then after that, the next thing to do here is to restart your computer. So you have to restart the computer and then after that, if the situation still exists or still a problem exists, the next method you should do here is you go to your control panel, go to the search bar, go to control panel and then open. And then here you have to look for network and sharing center. So after you tap this one, you have to go to another option here inside network and sharing center is change adapter setting. And then if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then click Wi-Fi, right click, go to properties, and then look for this one, Internet Protocol version 4. And then after that, you have to click properties again. So let me tap this one. Now here, you have to click this, use the following DNS server address. So all you have to do is to follow this 888 8844, then click OK, and then close, and then open your Roblox again. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.